Mango.
Thank you.
How you doing, man? You got it, bro.
Alright, good night, man.
I don't really know how much I'm gonna wear them, but I might just wear them so I don't stub my toe. But I also.
My nigga, do you be eating my booty when I be asleep?
There's something under there. There's something under that car.
Mason, you want this cookie?
Oh yeah, sure, thank you.
Those potholes are becoming a real nuisance.
Oh.
Hey, my boy, fresh cut. Yeah, you know what time it is.
We use this utility knife, we need to get it out of its packaging. This can prove to be quite difficult. To help with this, simply go buy another utility knife.
What the fuck?
Yo, the sky is fucking blue!
I'm over here!
And then it turned off!
No!
Home sweet home. What the fuck happened to my mailbox? Oh well. What the fuck happened to my ass?
Mira, mi chulo. Mira, te compré taquitos de masa. Ay, cabrón, te compré tacos. Hijo de tu puta madre, me los tiraste todo. Qué estúpido.
I think that I found the secret switch.
Today I'm gonna be trying a chocolate wabbit for Easter, even though I don't believe in the Easter.
I'm the Easter Bunny.
Do you want me to wake him up?
No.
Oh my God!
Nobody can match my skill and my power.
Either on switch.
Goal of athletics or coach or anybody, your teammates. No one else is gonna find out.
What the fuck?
The second form is the student
Bring me strawberry peanut butter M&Ms.
That big truck.
Oh, nigga! No! I'm sorry! No!
Hola, niño.
I already know how he is with it. He wobbles back and forth.
What the fuck is my hat on, bro?
Let me see.
Whoa, what the hell?
You over it? Yeah.
Always stay on point because you never know when it's gonna get tragic. New paddock.
You know that bath mat in your...
What?
Have any of you guys heard of that new TV show on AMC?
No, what is it called?
It's called Look Out for the Fuck.
Je pense que le professeur ne va pas venir aujourd'hui. Donc je retourne à la maison.
This is me before the Boston Marathon. They ran out of toilet paper. Did you see this? I'm at mile 14.
Bueno, yo quería jugar a la pelota, pero no era lo mío. A respetar las leyes.
You a witch? Yeah. I mean, you look so cute. I love your outfit. Can you actually record something for me? Yeah, for sure. Hey, sorry, record.
I borrow some toothpaste, boo.
Yes.
Oh shit. No. Thank you, thank you.
Enjoy.
Oh, you'll enjoy.
Savannah!
Yeah, I'd like to buy this.
Yeah, I got you, bro. Here you go.
Nah, thank you.
Alright, see ya.
Orange? Who made the console orange?
Do I look orange? I didn't touch it.
Orange is not my color. Not me.
Shit, check it out. It's a fucking penny. Yeah, dude, pick that up right now. If you put that in your stock portfolio app, man, wait about 472 years, that shit's gonna double up, man.
Love me a wet sandwich.
Well, everyone knows a large at Starbucks can fit into a small, but McDonald's is actually doing the same thing. Check it out.
I don't know what the fuck this is. I asked for an iced Americano. Oh, wow.
Hola, perrito.
Oye, tú eres un degenerado.
¡No!
That's the drummer!
Let's see. Yeah, that's pretty full. Shit! Fuck, I'm gonna get the yard wet. Shit.
Ow, 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 ow.
Please start doing trust exercises. Exactly. Don't trust everybody. Trust the people that's close to you, not the people that's next.
Chicken.
We'd like to take a moment to announce that all our food keeps blowing up.
A lot of people don't realize this, but small pepperoncinis at Olive Garden can also be used as a nose plug.
Wow.
You guys, look at what my dog does when I talk in a different voice.
Hey, Rex, what are you doing? What are you doing, doggy? Hey, come here there, doggy.
You have a nice day. Oh, I hope you have the best day ever. Come here, let me give you some love.
Bye.
Instagram is a telephone app to closely and legally appreciate the hair of females.
Don't like this video. Did you just like it? You better not comment. You don't listen very well, do you? Did you just share it?
Hey ladies, do you want to know a secret that you don't know about us guys?
Everybody talking, everybody talking, everybody talking, everybody talking.